Tasline in my life has been around for like 9 years when I first was buying it from Frank from Busted Fishing. So he was the importer to Australia from the guy that was producing it in New Zealand. We were buying that out of his garage, and that was my actual first introduction to like a braided fishing line, was through Frank. Before we even started like purchasing the company, there was always quite a high demand for it. It's had quite a cult following over the years. We've moved it to Australia. There's now 10 times the machines of what there was when we first bought the company. So it's now available to everybody. We've put in steps that we hope increases the quality of the product throughout the production process, and that's just advancements in machinery and also bringing on staff members that have different backgrounds and materials. So there's a few things that's happening at the same time, but the main reason probably is because people just love it.
Part of what we do at Tasline is, I guess, what I would term small batch production. We don't produce the tens of thousands of meters of line of batch size, very small. That allows us to have very precise control over the quality of the product as it's produced. As it goes through our process and comes out in the final finished product, that line has been scanned millimeter by millimeter, looking for any form of a stray fibre or a stray hair, something that doesn't look quite right. For me, that means I'm able to offer the best in consistency, spool after spool, but also in reliability and performance. Tasline's production process is reasonably straightforward in braiding terms. So we bring in aerospace grade yarn, top quality German machines to braid that yarn, and it's braided according to our settings and our design. We then take it through our post-production inspection process, and from there we then spool it onto the relevant sized plastic spools, box it up and send it out to our retailers. As an angler, probably the biggest thing I appreciate with Tasline is the fact that I'm working with the pure braid. There's no coatings, there's no additive added to that braid to make it perform. I mean, it's a good braid, it doesn't need them. I guess this is where our confidence level in our product comes from. We are paying massive attention, close attention to even a single stray fibre. So we're using a laser scanner to not only look at the diameter of the line, is it meeting spec, but to pick out the smallest stray fibre. We cut the line right there.
I think a unique thing about Tasline, despite its growth, it's remained an in-house operation. Like, sure, we've gone to bigger facilities, we've employed more people, but that same commitment to made in Australia with the best made products and a close eye on production hasn't changed one bit. So I first came into my world around a decade ago when it became popular in the GT popping world. For me, the number one thing I like firing long casts. Like literally more line in the water, more chance your lure of being seen by a fish, you're covering more ground. And Tasline with its uncoated line really is super slick and smooth. You can fire longer casts, so it was a natural progression for me to use it and like it. I fish a really broad spectrum of fishing opportunities from ultralight finesse stuff, you know, bream and estuaries, through to GT popping, big tuna and dogtooth tuna. Tasline covers all my applications. I've got confidence in it, I know it won't let me down, and I'm a Tasline user for life.